I'm Talisha from CreativiTeeByT on Instagram, and today I'm coming to you with a show and tell, and I'm also coming to you with my August sewing birthday plans. So if that's something that you are interested in, please stay tuned. So today what I am sharing with you is a circle skirt that I made. I did not use a pattern. I actually self-drafted it myself, and the reason why I self-drafted the skirt is because it's pretty simple. You're just using your waist measurement. So this is the very first circle skirt that I have made, and while it's simple and something that most everyone has sewn, it is my first time, and the reason why is because years ago I remember wanting to get a brand new work wardrobe. So I went to Kohl's and I bought all these circle skirts because when I put them on in the dressing room, they fit fine and they were so cute. And then as I wore them throughout the day, the fabric loosened up and it just kept slipping down and I could never get it right. And that was before I started sewing garments. So yeah, I was just kind of like really turned off from them, and then I just never really looked back. But you know how Instagram is. Instagram will make you love stuff because you will see all these beautiful pictures and images, and then it just kind of brought back those memories of, you know, how I had desired to have one. And so with that being said, I made one. So how I made the dress was by using my waist measurement. I wanted a big band, like a 3-inch band, which meant you would have to use 6 inches of fabric in order to get a 3-inch band. I didn't have enough, so my band is more like 2 inches, but and it took about 2 yards of fabric to construct it, but of course there were scraps left over, and you know I had to make a mess. But again, I used my waist measurements, and when I tried on the dress, it was kind of loose, and it reminded me of how I did not like the fit of the circle skirts that I had worn in the stores before. And so I realized after feeling that I needed to measure up higher, because that my natural waist is not where I wanted the skirt to sit. So I measured higher and got that measurement, and it actually took the cut from the fabric down by about 3 or 4 inches. I cut that fabric off, installed a new zipper, and it was the perfect fit. So now, you know, but before I put that zipper in, I did measure what that number for me is currently, and I'm hoping that that number decreases because I am on a new weight loss journey. But for right now, I know what that number is, and I can make it easily again. I purchased my fabric from an SD store. I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, so I will put it somewhere in the screen. And the fabric came very quick. I purchased the last 2 yards, and that's why I decided to make a skirt, because I would have loved to have made a full dress. The only thing I did different as far as when you sew and making the final touches with your garments is I used hem tape so that I did not have a line at the bottom. So that was my experience with sewing my first circle skirt. It was very easy. All I had to use was my body measurements, and I do plan to make more in the future. So now let's get on to the birthday sewing plans. So a little backstory behind this is when I was 39 getting ready to turn 40, I had this idea of having this birthday photo shoot with all my friends that I actually got from the idea from another friend. But what I was going to do different is make all of our outfits like the bottoms. So I had all these different skirts and bottoms and pants picked out, but I was going to use the same fabric. But the reason why I was not able to do that is because I was pregnant. I was tired and I just really didn't have the energy to do that, and I still had the 1-year-old that was running around as well. So because of that, I was going to do it this year. And then what happened? COVID hit, you know, just the momentum left, whatever. But I did pick up the fabric back in February when I went to LA to visit, and I went to the fabric district and I picked up 20 yards of fabric, and that was what I was going to use for the photo shoot. It did not happen. However, it's not a total waste because I will just plan for that another time. So instead of having a photo shoot, I'm just gonna make a dress for me, and I'm not gonna use that same fabric because I do want to do something with that fabric later on, whether it be that particular photo shoot or some other type of photo shoot, or whatever, or sell it. With that being said, I'm just going to make myself a birthday dress, and I am going to use this fabric here. I love it. I have had this for a long time. Well, no, I haven't. Not a long time, but to me it's been long since it's just been sitting there. So I have 6 yards of this, but I only plan to use probably 3 because that's about usually what I need to make a dress, a full dress. And the pattern that I am going to use is this one right here. I've had this for a while. This is the style of dress that I want, and I am going to sew view A, which is this one right here. I don't know that I'll have it that long, might be just a few inches shorter, but look at the back side of it. Look at the back. So I picked that particular pattern because I really love that style of dress. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it does not have sleeves, and I want to make sure that whatever I am sewing, because I'm trying to build my wardrobe, is something that I can wear year round. So I may add sleeves to it, and if it doesn't look right because of how the back of the dress is with the opening, then I may possibly just go with another pattern that's very, very similar. So those are my birthday plans for the month of August, and if you liked this type of content, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you are not a subscriber and you like this type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the gray notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. If you watch this all the way to the end, thank you. I do appreciate you taking the time out to watch my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.